All right, Jenkinson's, let's go, let's go. Let's do a temperature check. 78 degrees right now. Bam, look at that. Whoa. It's 5:26 p.m. Let's go. June 2026, June 7th. Wow, we're there. We're there. Walking season. Wow, the weather feels so amazing right now. This is incredible. Best place to be right now. Feels good, the nice breeze. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Got the arcade over here. We didn't walk through the arcade. I didn't walk through the arcade yet. Let's go. Let's check it out in here. Got the AC cranking in here. AC is cranking in here. Wow, nice. Really cool in here. And over here. All right, I got a lot of games here. Cool spot, cool spot. Yeah. If it's super hot and you want to cool off, wow, they got the AC cranking in there. That's the spot to cool off in there. Wow. All right, let's go, let's go. So let's cruise, let's see what's cracking over here. So yeah, the sunlight is still hitting pretty nice. It's only 5 something, so it's about 5:30 p.m. Oh, the weather is unbelievable today. Wow. Seriously, I mean, wow. Incredible weather today. So we got Tiki Bar over here. Tiki Bar's jumping. Super awesome weather today. Super amazing weather. The weather is just unbelievable. I'm a big fan of 80 degrees. If it's 80 degrees all year round, that's what I like. No humidity. Day and night, 80 degrees. They got the rooftop bar and dining right here. Definitely a cool spot. I've been up there before. Cool spot. If you can see it here on the camera. Little big guy, Pocket 3. Star of the show. Wow, so many people sneezing today. And when somebody sneezes, I try to walk the other way. Oh man, a lot of sneezing going on today.
I think someone is having her.
What mama said?
Yeah, it's pretty packed up in front of me. I'm looking behind me. There's some people, but it looks like, it does look like a lot of people are up this way. And I think the beach is free today and all of that. I think so. I don't see anybody paying to get on the beach today. And there's really doesn't look like much like security watching, you know, watching people get on and off the beach, so it's probably free. Summer's coming up in a couple weeks. It's still pretty early.
Sure you don't want me to go down there? All right.
Okay, so we're going to take a stroll on the beach right now. See what's going on the beach. See how the beach is today.
Where? Right there. Different one?
Okay, I gotta watch my shoes. I got sneakers on. Not prepared for the beach, but it's okay. Greetings from Jenkinson's Boardwalk. Look at those chairs. Imagine having one of them in the front of your house. 2 of them, imagine that, right? On your front yard. Might get a little bit of attention. Welcome to my home, right? You know what I'm saying? All right, let's see what's going on. So there's more people down here than you would think. It actually looked like less people, but they're more towards the water, that's why. So earlier, when you're down there, it's an illusion when you're on the boardwalk because it doesn't, okay. So, yeah, when it's like summer, there's more people up here too. So that's why you really can't tell. But more people are down here by the water. And that makes a ton of sense. So let's kick back and check out the beach. right, all right, all right. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, all right, all right. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, all right, all right, all right, let's go. All right, Point Pleasant. Summer 2026. In his house.